Welcome students. Today we will continue our series of operations on large numbers and today's topic is multiplication. Now see here, it is our one example of multiplication. 27 multiplied by 34 and the answer is 918. So what are these terms actually? You know, this sign is operation of multiplication sign. This sign is of equal. Now what we say, this number, this is a first number which is 27, it is called multiplicand. The number which is multiplied is called multiplicand, and it is 34. 34 is a number by which we multiply and it is called multiplier, and the answer, or we can say the result of multiplication, is called product. And one more thing, that multiplicand and multiplier are also called factors. Let us revise properties of multiplication. The first property is identity property. The product of any number and 1 is that number. It means 1376 multiplied by 1, then we get again 1376. It means any number is multiplied by 1, we get that number itself. Commutative property, it means you can multiply the factors as any order and the product will be same. Or we can say 67 multiplied by 345. Either you will multiply 345 by 67, you will get the same answer, that is 23,115. Associative property, you can group the factors in different ways and product will be the same. There are two ways. 20 multiplied by bracket starts 4 multiplied by 34 bracket close. Either bracket starts 20 multiplied by 4 bracket close multiplied by 34. Here you can see there are three numbers in both situations, 24 and 34. But I made a group of 4 and 34 here, and here I made a group of 20 and 4 here. And let us solve 20 multiplied by, when we do multiplication on these two numbers 4 and 34, what we get? 136. Here we have to perform the multiplication on these two numbers first because they are in bracket. 20 multiplied by 4, that is 80. Now in both situation, let us do the final multiplication and see. Here is the 2720 and here is also 2720. It means you can group the factors in different ways and product will be the same. Let us learn multiplication by multiple of 10. See, it is your first question. 42 multiply by 10,000, and we can do this kind of multiplication directly. 42 ones are 42 and here are 4 0, so we will put 4 zeros here. Now it will be 4,20,000. It is the product of 42 multiplied by 10,000. Second question, 845 multiplied by 10. So 845 ones are 845 and we will put 1 0. So it is 8450. Very easy kind of multiplication. Then 500 multiplied by 30,000. So we know that 5 threes is 15. We will write 5 threes are 15. And how many zeros? 2 zeros in 500 and 4 zeros in 3. So there are total 6 zeros. It means we will put 6 zeros here and now it will be 1 crore 50 lakh. Then 165 multiply by 1 lakh. Very simple. 165 ones are 165 and we will put 5 zeros here. So it is our product. Then in similar way 549 multiply by 1 lakh. In similar way we can do it. 549 ones are 549 and we will put 5 zeros here. So it is a product of this multiplication. In similar way 12 multiply by 2000. How we can do? 12 twos are equals to 24 and here are 3 zeros. So 3 zeros we will put here. So it will be 24 1000. So multiplication by multiple of 10, it is very easy and we can do it orally. Now, my dear students, it is practice time. So solve these questions in your notebook. 9572 multiplied by 100. 237 multiplied by 10 lakh. 14 multiplied by 40,000 and 30 multiplied by 90,000. Let us perform multiplication on large numbers. See here, it is 4,78,923 and we have to multiply it by 289. In this question, 4,78,923 is a multiplicand and 289 is multiplier. At first, we will write both multiplicand and multiplier here in a proper form of multiplication. Now at first we will multiply all these numbers by 9 and 9 threes are 27. We will write 7 here and 2 here. Now 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 2 20. We will write 0 here and 2 here as carry. Then 9 nines are 81, 81 plus 2 83. We will write 3 here and 8 here. Then 9 8s are 72 plus 8. This is 80. We will write 0 here and 8 here. Then 9 7s are 63 plus 8 71. We will write 1 here and 7 here. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 7 equals to 43. So we will write 43 here. Now at tens place there is 8. At first we will write this sign, cross sign here, and now we will multiply all these numbers by this 8. 8 threes are 24. We will write 4 here and 2 here. Now 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 2 18. We will write 8 here and 1 here. Then 8 nines are 72. 72 plus 1 73. We will write 3 here and 7 here. Then 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 7 equals to 71. We will write 1 here and 7 here. Then 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 7 equals to 63. We will write 3 here and 6 here. Then 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6 equals to 38. So we will write 38 here. Now we will multiply all these numbers by 2. But before that we will write the sign of cross here and here at ones place and tens place. Then we will start our multiplication. 2 threes are 6. 2 twos are 4. 2 nines are 18. We will write 8 here and 1 here. Then 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. We will write 7 here and 1 as carry. Then 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. We will write 5 here and 1 as carry. Then 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So in this way we can do all multiplication. Now we will add all these. We will add here 7. So it is 7. Then 0 plus 4. It is 4. 3 plus 8. 11. 11 plus 6. 17. We will write 7 here and 1 as carry. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 4 8. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 8 10. We will write 0 here and 1 as carry. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 7 14. We will write 4 here and 1 here. Now 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 8 13. 13 plus 5 18. We will write 8 here and 1 as carry. Then 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 9 13. So it is our product, that is 13 crore 84 lakh 8,747. Very easy, right? Let us take one more example. See here, 5,098 multiplied by 7,040. So we will write both the numbers. At first we have to multiply by 0. 0 is at ones place. So we will start from always ones place. So 0 8s are 0. When we multiply any number by 0, we get 0. Then 0 9s are 0. 0 zeros are 0. 0 5s are 0. Then 4 8s are. 4 8s are is 32. We will write 2 here and 3 here. Then 4 nines are 36. 36 plus 3 equals to 39. We will write 9 here and 3 as carry. Then 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 equal to 3. So 3 will be here. Then 4 fives are 20. 20 will be here. Now again we will multiply all these numbers by 0. So we will start from hundreds place because this 0, this multiplier is at hundreds place. That's why 0 eights are 0, 0 nines are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 fives are 0. Now we will multiply this 7. 7 eights are 56. We will write 6 here and 5 here. Now 7 nines are 63 plus 5 68. We will write 8 here and 6 here. Now 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 6 6. Now 7 fives are 35. So in this way we will multiply by all the digits of multiplier. Now we have to add all these. 0. So here is 0. 0 plus 2 2. 0 plus 9 9 plus 0 9. 0 plus 3 3 plus 0 equals to 3 and 3 plus 6 equals to 9. 0 plus 0 equals to 0. 0 plus 8 equals to 8. 2 plus 0 equals to 2. 2 plus 6 equals to 8. Then 5 and 3. So your product will be, yes, 3 crore 58 lakh 89,920. Now again it is a practice time. So my dear students, do these questions of multiplication in your notebook. Let us come on word problems of multiplication. Always remember, just like addition and subtraction, there are keywords in a word problem which tell about the operation of multiplication, like times, twice, per, each, equal groups, multiply, altogether, double. So by these keywords we can easily identify that the problem is a word problem. Now let us solve one word problem. Let us solve one word problem. A residential school has 580 students and 120 teachers on its rolls. If the annual fee per student is rupees 1,36,000, what is the total fee collected annually by the school? At first, you have to think logically that in any school fee is paid by only student, not by teacher. So this number 120 teacher is not for us. It is just here to confuse you. But you have to think only about this number. Number of students equals to 580 and the annual fee per student means fee of one student, annual fee of one student equal to rupees 1,36,000, and we have to calculate the total fee. It means the fee of 580 students, so we have to multiply it by 580. It means the total fee equal to 1,36,000 multiplied by 580, which is equals to rupees 7 crore 88 lakh 80,000. It means the total fee collected annually by a school is rupees 7 crore 88 lakh 80,000. So now it is practice time and you have to solve this word problem by yourself. A builder constructs 430 flats in a society. If each flat costs rupees 39 lakh 90,560, what is the total cost of all the flats? So do it by yourself. Goodbye.